have this small Danby fridge. All these fridges behind have this metal bar which is very sharp and is close to the floor, and you have the cable in the way. Sometimes you just want to replace it, to move it around, and if you catch the cable underneath, because sometimes you see there is a gap but there's close to the floor, so maybe the wire catches like this and then it gets trapped in there when you move it. I can show you this. This wire here is almost severed in two, cut in two. There's another place here again, cut in two from moving it around. Very, very dangerous. This is if you see this, it's better to cut the wire, rewire it, and use a plug, a new plug, wall plug. See this, look at this. Very, very dangerous. Can cause a short, and you will find your home a little bit in toasted. This one same design. I think it's a bad design. Look, again, very sharp bar here, metal bar, and the cable gets on this side where it's lifted, and then it gets trapped underneath and it gets caught, severed by the weight of the fridge. Very, very poor design